Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dynamic Coder. Today we're going to see that how we can enable MAC address filtering in Sophos Firewall. So here what we're going to do is that, for example, you have certain devices. For example, you can see certain iPads, certain phones, certain mobile devices, certain laptops, and you have wireless access in your organization. And every time your user connected to different Wi-Fi access point with different SSIDs, and they able to face the issue while getting IPs from DHCP, and based on that you have to create policies again and again by changing their dynamic IP addresses and all. So to resolve this issue, what we're going to do is that we create a policy where, based on the MAC addresses, we're going to allow particular user to access the internet. Okay, so without having a further delay, let's get started. So here you can see this is a basic topology where a LAN device connected to the WAN side, and this is my firewall, the Sophos XGS firewall. Just go to rules and policies and add a new rule. Click on new firewall rule. Now we give a name as MAC filtering policy. Okay, if you want to give description, give it, make it to the top, except log the traffic, rule group also automatic, because it will, if you select automatic, it will automatically put it in the particular group. And we want the LAN. Okay, now to select any, we have to remove it, click on add, we have to add the MAC address. So for that we need to have the MAC address of our system, test u1. Okay, and MAC addresses for that, we are taking this for this system, cmd, type ipconfig/all, and you can see the physical address which is called the MAC addresses of the device. Just select this, right click, go here, control V, you get the MAC address, just click on save. So we select under source IP address as test u1, then we want to fall on WAN side, any other destination, any other services. Now we haven't selected any of the web filtering. Based on the requirement, we do it as allow all. Then in terms of application, because we haven't configured any of the application policies till now, IPS also general IPS policy, and click on save. So when you click on save, you can able to see that it started falling on the WAN side, and you're receiving the ping replies based on the MAC addresses. So this is all about creating a policy based on the um, MAC addresses. Just refresh and click on firewall rules, then LAN to WAN, and here you can see that under MAC filtering you can see that the policy is working. If you want to check, just click on log viewer, and you can see the firewall rule as MAC filtering policy that are enabled, and using default SNET IPv4 policy via port A and port B. This is our LAN IP address, this is our WAN IP address. Okay, this is how we can able to reach to the internet. So with the help of this MAC policy, you can able to do MAC filtering based on the users, and you can add your security profiles to it, and this is how we can able to create it. Okay guys, thank you so much, thanks for watching the video, hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.